Everyone thinks a quantum leap means a huge, life-changing jump. But what if I told you that's completely wrong? And the real meaning is even more powerful. Because if you truly understand what a quantum leap is, you'll stop waiting for big moments and start seeing how change actually happens. In quantum physics, a quantum leap is not big. It's the smallest possible change. It happens when an electron moves from one energy level to another. And here's the strange part. It doesn't move gradually. It doesn't slide. It doesn't climb. It just appears in a new state, instantly, no in between. This is called quantization. Energy doesn't change smoothly. It changes in discrete steps. For a long time, scientists couldn't explain this. How can something move without passing through the space in between? It looks impossible, almost like a glitch. And yet, this is how the microscopic world works. Not smoothly, but in jumps, small but sudden. Now here's where people misunderstand it. They hear quantum leap and think big success, massive change, overnight transformation. But that's not what it means. The leap is not big, it's sudden, and that changes everything. Because in real life, progress often feels invisible. You work, you try, you repeat, and nothing seems to change, until one day it does. Not gradually, but suddenly. And from the outside, it looks like a huge leap. But in reality, it was built from many small steps. So the quantum leap in your life is not one big action. It's the moment when small changes finally connect, when effort becomes visible, when growth becomes obvious. And people call it overnight success, but it was never overnight. Your brain struggles with this because it wants immediate results. If you don't see progress, you think nothing is happening. So you quit, right before the jump, right before the moment everything changes. That's why most people never experience a quantum leap. Not because it doesn't exist, but because they stop before it happens. They give up in the invisible phase, the phase where nothing seems to change, but everything is changing. So remember this, a quantum leap is not big. It's built, quietly, in small steps, until one day it looks like everything changed at once. But you'll know the truth. It didn't happen suddenly. It just became visible.